Hey guys, this is Trip. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make your very own RSPS as well as be able to host it with your friends. So to begin, you're going to need a blank source. So I'm using a 317 server, which is RS2. I'm going to leave a link to that in the description. Also, you're going to need a JDK and program for extracting RAR files. So that can either be a WinRAR or 7-zip is what I like to use. I'm going to leave a link to 7-zip in the description. So once you download the file, you're going to right click on it with 7-zip and say extract here. For time reasons, I already downloaded the file and put it on my desktop. Once you have the new blank folder extracted and put on your desktop, open it up and put the blank client and the blank source on your desktop. Next, we're going to find the IP address of our computer. You can either use the internet or you can go to the command prompt. So just open up your start menu, type in CMD to open up the command prompt, and type in ipconfig. Press enter, and it should bring up all your internet connections. So I'm looking for the IPv4 address, which is your internet address, your IP, and mine is 172.16.11.129. So once I have that, I'm going to go to the blank client, open it up, and I'm going to go to GUI.java. I'm going to right click that and open it. I'm just going to use text edit, but you're more than welcome to use Notepad++. And I'm going to control F and find where it says server IP. And I'm going to put a comment in the Java file by using 2 forward slashes and just paste my IP address in there. So when you give this to your friends, you're actually going to put the IP address into the server IP quotations. But right now, since I'm running it locally on my machine, I'm going to leave it empty because the empty quotation marks means localhost, which is the only way we can connect to our own server from our own machine. And then you're just going to run server.bat once you save that file. And what that is going to do is run your client. Right now it's not connected to any server, but it does run, it does load, so that's good. And now we're going to go to the blank source folder, which is our actual server. And to run the server, we're just going to type R, and it's going to bring us down to run server.bat. When we run that, our server is going to be up and running, and we should be able to connect to it now. You're going to want to allow access on private networks and home networks, but not public networks, because that's kind of dangerous. So if we go back to our client, type in any account name. Since this is a brand new server, it will automatically create an account. So I'm going to say test and not put any password on it. And you can see I logged in successfully. Now I'm going to show you how to log in to a server as one of your friends. So you've given them the blank client with the server IP field filled out with your own IP address instead of commented out like we have right now. And if that's still not working for them, have them manually enter in the server IP. So I'm running this one on my Windows laptop right now, so I'm trying to connect to that server. And this is kind of logging as a friend. So my IP address is 172.30.15.115 for my Windows laptop. And now I'm going to log in as a test account, which is creating a new account on that server because there has not been a test account created on that one yet. And when I look over, I should be able to see my other account, Trip, which is level 126. So there you have it. That's how you can invite your own friend on your new RSPS. I have to note though that you must be on the same Wi-Fi network, so this is kind of a more ideal situation for when you're hanging out with a friend in person and you just want to get something up and running quick. I will have other videos kind of explaining how you can modify different settings on the server, and also another video on port forwarding so you can actually host it over the internet. So tune in and subscribe, and thanks for watching.